Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go to the information. A publisher determines the number of pages P that should go into a children's book by using the equation P equals to 8 positive 0.5 times K, where K is the total number of pictures in the book. Based on the equation, how many more pictures would be needed to add one more page to a children's book? Okay, let me take the given equation, that is P equals to 8 positive 0.5 times K. So here P represents the number of pages in the book and K represents the number of the total number of pictures in the book. Okay, since we have to find how many more pictures, we have to solve for K in this equation. So for that, we have to isolate K on the right side. So for that, first we have to get rid of this 8. For that, I subtract 8 from both sides. When I do so, this positive 8, 8 will cancel. I'm getting negative 8 positive P equals to 0.5 times K. Okay, negative 8 positive P. This 0.5 can be written as 1 half times K. Okay, now to get out this denominator 2, I have to multiply both sides of the equation by 2. Let me do it. So then this 2 will cancel out. 2 times negative 8 is negative 16. 2 times P is 2P. On the right side, I'm getting K. Or we can write this equation as K equals to negative 16 positive 2P. Okay, I've solved for K, which represents the total number of pictures in the book. The question says, how many more pictures would be needed to add one more page to a children's book? Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in P is equal to 1 in this equation to find the value of K, which represents the total number of pictures in the book. Let me plug in P is equal to 1. So K equals to negative 16 positive 2 times 1. So which gives me negative 16 positive 2. Let's keep this one as it is. Okay, now I'm going to increase the number of pages by 1, that is from 1 to 2. So I increase the number of pages by 1. Now what's happening in the value of K? Let me check it. Negative 16 positive. So this time I have to plug in 2 for P over here. Then I'm getting 2 times 2, which is negative 16 positive 4. Okay, again I increase the number of pages by 1 unit. That is, I increase the value of P from 2 to 3. Then I'm getting K equals to negative 16 positive. So in this equation, I have to plug in 3 for P. Then I'm getting 2 times 3, which is equal to negative 16. 2 times 3 is positive 6. Just look at the pattern over here. Every time when I add one more page to the children's book, the total number of pictures in the book increases by 2. Look at here. So 2 to 4 and 4 to 6. So clearly, to add one more page to the children's book, we need to add 2 more pictures. So we find 2 in option C. So the correct answer choice for this question is option C.